What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I love doing videos like this because this video here is going to take you to the brass tactics of what affiliate marketers really do and how they profit online. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually build 1,000 email subscribers very fast on your email list, and I'm going to show you how you can actually profit with that list as you're building it. Guys, this could be the most important video that you ever watch, and we're starting right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com here. And so what we're going to be talking about today is how you can actually build your email list to 1,000 subscribers at warp speed. So the first thing you're going to need to do if you're going to build your list is you need a squeeze page. So this squeeze page here was created in ClickFunnels. You could use that service. You could use Lead Pages, Optimize Press, whatever service that you have. Go ahead and use that. But obviously, you're going to need some sort of squeeze page in order to, get people's email addresses and deliver some sort of content or resolution to their problem, right? So once your squeeze page is created, and I have a video that I did that shows you how to use ClickFunnels and how easy it is to create a squeeze page in like 5 minutes. I actually do like a 2-step funnel in about 5 minutes, and I'll link that video in the card, so go ahead and check that out. So once your squeeze page is actually created, you need to get traffic to your squeeze page. So this is where the magic happens, right? And so the fastest way to build your list to 1,000 subscribers is using what we call solo ads, right? This is basically paying people to send your offer to their list so that you can get opt-ins, right? So one of the websites that I recommend is called Udemy.com. And again, guys, just pay attention to this video because sometimes solo ads get a bad rep, but I'm telling you that if you do it right and you pick the right solo vendors, it can be extremely profitable. Now, in this video, I'm not going to show you exactly how to go through here and to select the proper solo vendor, but I will link a video to this in the card above that shows you exactly how to pick the exact solo ads in here and what do you need to do in order to pick the perfect people that's going to give you the best results, right? So essentially what you're going to be doing is you have a squeeze page, and then you have Udemy that you can go through here and you can purchase solo ads. You can get solo ads for about 35 cents a click for about 100 clicks. So essentially, if your squeeze page is converting, say your squeeze page here is converting at about 40%, you want to make sure that your squeeze page is converting at least 40%, then that means every time you purchase a 100 click solo ad within Udemy, you should be getting about 40 opt-ins for every 100 clicks that you pay for. And again, you can get 100 clicks for about $35, right? So let's just do a little math. So if we want to get 1,000 subscribers, we need to basically take, let's say 1,000 subscribers, and then we're going to divide that by 40 because that's about the average amount of opt-ins that we're going to get per solo, and that gives us 25 solos that we would need to purchase in order to get 1,000 subscribers. Now we already know that solo ads typically run you about 35 cents a click, so that's $35. So we're going to times that by $35. And then that brings us to $875. So in a perfect world, if your squeeze page was converting at 40%, then that means you would spend about $875 in order to make, order to get 1,000 email subscribers on your list. Now, before you go nuts and say, oh, $875, that's way too much money. But what if you were actually profiting from these emails as they were coming through your funnel, right? What if you were, buying a $35 solo ad and you were making, $50, $60, $70, right? Then it wouldn't matter, right? And so that's what I want to kind of show you guys today is you can build your list fast and you can actually profit with the offers that you send if you're sending the correct offers. So we now know that we have to spend roughly about $875 to get a fast 1,000 people on our list, right? So what we want to do is, if we're going to be spending $875 to get 1,000 people on our list, we want to make sure that we're sending offers that are high converting. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm going to go over to Warrior Plus here. And as we go to Warrior Plus, there's tons of offers in here. This is an affiliate network for like affiliate marketers and mostly the make money online niche, right? So what you can do is you can actually see where it says visitor value here. It shows you how much on average you're making per visitor or per click. So this first product here, they're saying that on average it's had 3,000 plus sales, but on average per visitor, people are making $3.15 per visitor. So if you had 1,000 people visit this website and on average you're making $3 per visitor, you would be making a lot more than the $875 that you have to spend, right? So say if you just made $1,000, well, now you profited and you still have 1,000 people on your list that you can continually market to throughout the months and years to come, as long as they stay on your list. And then you have products here that they're getting $5 per visitor value, $2, even at $1 per click, or $1 per visitor. If 1,000 people are seeing it, on average, you're going to make $1. That means you're going to make $1,000 with these high converting offers. And you want to make sure that the refund rates are low, typically 5% or lower, especially in this platform. But you can expect to make that type of income. Now, sometimes things vary. Again, if your squeeze page isn't converting at 40%, sometimes people do bridge pages. Sometimes people increase the visitor value by, adding bonuses. There are some variables, but on average, if you're just getting the traffic and you're getting them to opt in and you're sending them to high converting offers, on average, you can make that money back. Let's look at JV Zoo. Okay, JV Zoo, they have EPC here. That means earnings per click. Again, this first product is saying, on average, out of 70,000 units sold, you're making $1.52 per click, right? So $1.52 times, 1,000 people. And even if 1,000 people don't buy, like all 1,000 people don't buy, on average, they're saying, you're going to make $1.52, because you got to think about it. A lot of these products have upsells. So you may have a number of people that purchase upsells and you make a lot more money than just like the initial front end. So what you want to do is basically find these high converting products, review them, do your research on them, and then sell these high converting products that have back ends and upsells, so that you can make sure that you make enough money to recoup your investment and profit. And the other thing you want to do is you want to follow up with your email subscribers. So as soon as they come onto your list, of course you're going to be sending them to an offer, but they may not buy on the first day. They may not buy on the second day. Typically, they may just see your offers a couple times. Maybe they need to get to know you and build a rapport with you and a trust with you through your emails. But a lot of those people that are on your list, if they stay on your list, they'll end up converting into sales. And maybe it's 30 days, maybe it's 60 days. But the point is that is an asset that you can continue making money with on a consistent basis. It's extremely important that you build your list, and this is the best way to do it in terms of building it fast, right? So I hope all of that made sense. I just wanted to make a quick video. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section right now if this is something that you guys feel that you can do. I really like to know, and if there's any portion of the steps that I went through that you guys need more clarification or help with, let me know. Also, I'll leave a link in the description for Udemy. If I did it right, I have a little coupon code for you guys, so that if you go in and you purchase your first solo, you should get about $5 credit for your first solo. So make sure you check that link below, and I'll leave links for how to purchase, how to find the correct person to purchase from, as well as the video on how you can create a squeeze page in 5 minutes, right? So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Check all the links and resources below. I hope this all made sense. And make sure you check out my guide at JohnMcNeil.com. That's also going to help you in your journey. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.